Getting QuickBooks Online for free is possible through various methods. The first step is to visit the official QuickBooks website and navigate to the free trial section. QuickBooks offers a 30-day free trial for new users, allowing you to test the software and its features before committing to a paid subscription. Another option is to take advantage of Intuit's free Simple Start plan, which includes basic accounting features such as invoicing and expense tracking. This plan is limited to one user and is best suited for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs. QuickBooks also partners with various organizations to offer free or discounted subscriptions to certain groups, such as students, nonprofit organizations, and startups. You can check the QuickBooks website for a list of eligible organizations and apply for a free or discounted subscription. Additionally, you can look for free webinars and online courses that include a free trial or subscription to QuickBooks Online. These courses are usually offered by accounting professionals or QuickBooks certified users and provide hands-on training and experience with the software. It is also worth noting that some accounting firms and bookkeepers offer free access to QuickBooks Online as part of their services. They may provide a free trial or subscription to QuickBooks Online in exchange for your business or as a promotional offer. To get the most out of QuickBooks Online for free, it is essential to understand the features and limitations of the free trial or subscription. You should also explore the various resources and support options available, such as online tutorials, user guides, and customer support. By following these steps and exploring the various options available, you can get QuickBooks Online for free and experience the benefits of using a comprehensive accounting software for your business or personal finances.